Hi everyone, another day distance learning. I hope you are doing well. I'm thinking of my babies, so if you're one of my kids, I love you so much and I miss you and I appreciate your effort and I see amazing projects coming in, so keep them coming. This week was not easy and I'm sure I'm not the only one. So I did a few more illustrations of affirmations and it did make me feel better at the time. I might have to rewrite some, and you might ask why I would redo the same thing over and over if it doesn't work forever. And my simple answer to that is writing and illustrating affirmations gives me joy in the moment, and I'm okay with that. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you give it a try, and it's definitely something that has worked in my classroom, so if you are unsure, I say write down one of the affirmations that I do, and if you can think of any others, I would love to hear what you like to tell yourself in difficult times to make you feel better, even if it's just in the moment. Please leave them in the comments. Let me know what you think. I hope you're doing well, and I hope you enjoy.